ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। ॐ श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। ॐ महेतुकिं प्रेम घनदिव्यमूर्ते आचार्यरूपं प्रणवं नमामि। आचार्यरूपं प्रणवं भजामि। आचार्यरूपं प्रणवं स्मरामि। गुरुब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देव महेश्वर गुरुरेव परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। ॐ नमो श्रीगुरवे नमः। ॐ नमो ब्रह्मणदेवाय गोब्रह्मणहिताय च जगद्धिताय श्रीकृष्णाय गोविन्दाय नमो नमः। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिन्धु दीनबन्धु जगत्पते गोपेश गोपिकान्त राधाकान्त नमोस्तुते। ब्रजे वसन्तं नवनीतचौरं गोपाङ्गनानां वसनेकचौरम् अनेकजन्मार्जितपापचौरं चौराग्रगण्यं पुरुषं नमामि। चौराग्रगण्यं पुरुषं भजामि। चौराग्रगण्यं पुरुषं स्मरामि। ॐ नमो भगवते गोविन्दाय गोपीजनवल्लभाय श्रीकृष्णाय श्रीवासुदेवाय नमः। ॐ नमो श्रीकृष्णाय नमः। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। अहो अहोर्भि न कलयते विधुयते सुधा सुधारा मधुरं पदे पदे दीने दीने चंदन चंद्र शीतले यशो यशोदा तनयस्य गीयते। Again I am repeating very beautiful and enchanting verse. This is very beautiful and famous verse in Sanskrit literature. अहो अहोर्भि न कलयते विधुयते सुधा सुधारा मधुरं पदे पदे दीने दीने चंदन चंद्र शीतले यशो यशोदा तनयस्य गीयते। This verse which is very relevant in occasion of Janmashtami. Why? Because when I was in Goa, one Vaishnava Acharya always chanting this verse. Every time I am listening, I have listened many times, but I am thinking, what is this importance? So this person, this Vaishnaviji, every time when prostrated holy feet of Sri Krishna, chanting this verse. अहो अहोर्भि न कलयते विधुवते सुधा सुधारा मधुरं पदे पदे दीने दीने चंदन चंद्र शीतले यशो यशोदा तनय गीयते. This is very beautiful and famous verse. This Vaishnavacharya elaborately explained this verse. So I am thinking it is very relevant in the occasion of Jina Janmashtami. I am discussing about this verse. Aho ahorabhi na kalayate bridhuvate, which means the hankering, the lamentation, the frustration, the irritation, the agitation, the provocation of Kali Yuga. Aho ahorabhi na kalayate bridhuvate. That heat, that sorrow will not touch one person. On the other hand, what will happen? Sudha sudhara madhuram pade pade. The word sudha, sudha means nectar. How much nectar? 1 drop, 2 drop, 3 drop? No, sudhara means stream of nectar. Sudha sudhara madhuram pade pade. Instead of that person being touched by the heat of distress in this Kali Yuga, he will be touched by the sweetness of the abundant stream, ceaseless stream like flow of nectar, Sudha, in every step in life. Not just that as days pass by, Chandana Chandra Sitale, all the performs bhakti, dine dine, day by day. Then what happens? Chandana Chandra Sitale. Imagine the body being completely anointed with sandalwood paste. Then he's standing under the moonlight at night. Chandrama, Jatsna, Jatsna Vidhotratri. He's standing under the moonlight, soothing, relaxing, rays coming from the moon. So, already had chandan, sandalwood paste in his body. And now he's standing under the relaxing, rejuvenating, soothing, calming effects of the moonlight at night. How much cold and how much comfortable he will feel. So, one, he's not being burnt by the heat of the fire of the sun of the Kali Yuga. On the other hand, Sudha Sudhara Madhuram Pade Pade. At every step, life he is experiencing only sweetness, unlimited stream like abundant flow of sweetness. And not just that, as days continue in the path of bhakti. So he feels so relaxed, so he feels so comfortable, so he feels so happy, as much as Chandana Chandra Sitale, as if his body is anointed with sandalwood paste and he is standing under the moonlight at night. Who is this person who is experienced so much happiness? Yashoda Tanayasha Giyate. He who is busy singing and hearing the glory in the yasa, fame of Yashodanandana, the son of Yashoda. He who sings the yasa, the fames, the names of Krishna, the forms of Krishna, the glories of Krishna, the pastimes of Krishna, and he associates the friends of Krishna, the devotees of Krishna, those personalities who are speaking, chanting, singing the yasa, the fame of the Yashodanandana, the son of Yashoda. Tat Paraspara Bodhanam, Upanishad said. Tat Paraspara Bodhanam. Such a person, he lives amidst the problem of this world. He will not be touched by that. Instead, he will be floating in the happiness. Sri Radhe Govinda Preme Sadaje Bhasi. One Vaishnava said, he said, always is saying, Sri Radhe Govinda Preme Sadaje Bhasi. Our Vedananda Swamiji, same philosophy, same standpoint, he said. Our Vedananda Swamiji is dignified and very great personality, very educated person in our holy organization. He said in his poem, Guru Narayana Asisha Varsana, that poem he said, Kari Nivedano Jene Modere Mono Sada Sarvakshana Raheo Charane. Kari Nivedano Jeno Modere Mono Sada Sarvakshane Raheo Charane. Same vision, same philosophy. Sri Radhe Govinda Preme Sada Jeno Bhasi. Kari Nivedano Jeno Modere Mono Sada Sarvakshana Raheo Charane. The Vaishnava said, he said, he will be swimming on the waves of happiness at the feet of Sri Radha Govinda. Then Vedananda Swamiji vision, our monk, all are swimming every moment, every day on the waves of happiness at the feet of the Sri Guru Charana. So if we live in this world, but not be of this world, be like a lotus, we may be in the muddy full of problems. We may be in a full of filled with dirt in the form of the problems, in the form of the anxiety, in the form of the stress, but still we can live like a lotus in the pond. Like the perfect sadhu, pure monk I have seen in our monastic organization. Many sadhu are very pure, very perfect person. They are in full of problem. We have to sing the glories of the Yashodanandana. You see the source, how beautifully there is poetic embarrassment, which means there is poetry, Sanskrit poetry. Repetition is used like aho aho rupi na kalayote bridhuate sudha sudhara madhurang pade pade dine dine chandana chandra shitale yasho yashoda tanayasya kiyate. It seems like a philosophy married to poetry. So through poetry, such beautiful, unparalleled composition, such sweet secrets of happy life and revealed. So in this auspicious Janmashtami occasions, we all devotees, dedicated monks of our glorified, lovely Bharat Sevashrama Sangha, let's straight dive deep into this ocean of love of Vrindavan Bihari Lal Jashodanandana. We all surrender at holy feet of the Sri Krishna Kanhaiya Lal in this holy occasion of Janmashtami. Jai Sri Krishna, Jai Sri Krishna, Jai Sri Krishna.